Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We are talking about these messy Marley twists that I have installed in my head. They are definitely messy. This is my first time doing them, but I really like them. It only took me 3 hours. I used the rubber band method, I used my crochet hook, eco styling gel, as well as some foaming mousse to get this hair to look the way it does. I really like this hair. The texture is different from Passion Twist because that is with wavy water wave hair. This is with Afro bulk hair. The pack of hair looks like this. I got 2 packs of 1B and then 1 pack of 4. The 4 had less in it, but I used exactly 3 packs. And this is the hair. It is from a Janet collection and it is Afro Twist braid. I did do the apple cider vinegar and water rinse on this hair. I will put that a little bit later in the video, but I wanted to get off any alkaline lye that was going to make my hair itch. I cannot stand that itching. I already have sensitive scalp, so I wanted to make sure I rinsed this hair beforehand and let it air dry so that it would not make my hair itch. Again, this took me about 3 hours. It is decently long, like not too bad. There are some twists that I probably will redo because you can kind of see where my hair is coming out. But then again, I may not. It doesn't look that bad. I do not know how many twists I have in my hair. It's no more than 30. I did bigger spaces, as you can see here. Bigger spaces in my hair. I wanted them to kind of be jumbo, but not like bigger than the small section. So maybe medium, but 3 packs, bigger sections, 3 hours, and I'm gonna try to keep this hair for a while. It was easy. It's not heavy at all. And so let me know if you have any questions. And here's the video of how I did it, as well as how I did the pre-rinse on the hair. I started by taking a section and putting it in a rubber band. This is my very last twist. I took 2 pieces of the Afro Marley hair and put them together, and then I staggered the ends. I put it on my latch hook, I closed the hook, and pulled the hair through just a little bit. After taking my hook off, I only pulled one end of the hair through. Once it was through, I moved it side to side just to make sure there was nothing stuck, and I lined it up with my hair. I added Eco Styling Gel and my curl mousse. This mousse I got from the store a while back, and I just use it every now and then. The curl mousse easily transfers when it's on your hair and on your hand, so if it makes a mess, that's fine. Just rub it in wherever it goes. Then I split my hair into 2 sections with the Afro bulk hair and I begin twisting. Now I am doing the twist your wrist while twisting method until my real hair is all twisted in. I'll show you a slow motion of it, but think about it like you're wringing out a towel. That's how you twist your wrist while twisting, just like that. Once I get to the end of my real hair, then it's just time for me to twist like normal. And so I'm speeding this part up because there's nothing special to see here. I'm just twisting all the way down. The hair did get a little bit tangled on the end, so I had some scissors next to me just to clip a small piece in the event that something got mixed up. I also used more curl mousse on the end. It helped the hair to twist better. I feel like the thing that takes the longest with this hair is when it does get tangled, you have to stop and kind of pull it. It has more tangling than the water wave hair did, but it's just the texture of this hair. You have to twist all the way to the bottom, otherwise the ends are going to look a little raggedy. I used a little more curl mousse and a little more gel on the ends. And now you can see how I did the pre-wash of this hair. This is just a plastic bin that is actually a drawer from a set of 3 drawers that I got from Walmart. In it, I put about half of it with water, and then I put apple cider vinegar in it. Initially, I just put a splash, and then I realized I had a lot of hair. So I went back and added some more, and you'll see that in a second. I put the hair in there in layers after I put in the water. And I wanted to be sure that I left the tags on the hair so it kept it together and it didn't get all tangled. This hair tangles easily, so leaving the tag on there helped it stay together and not get mixed up with the other hair. I pressed the hair down, making sure that everything got saturated, and I probably should have used hot water, but I didn't think about that until I started. Here you see me adding more hair, and then I realized I needed to add more water. So that's what I did. After adding more water, I added more apple cider vinegar and I mixed it up. I was very careful not to tangle the hair. If I had done that, I wouldn't have been able to use any of it. Once I let it sit for about 20 minutes, I didn't see any of the white film coming off of the hair. So that's what made me think maybe I should have used hot water. But at any rate, that was fine with me. I just wanted to make an effort to get the lye off. The hair did feel a lot softer after I took it out of that water. What you won't see in this video is that after I took this out, I did rinse it with clean water and then I put them back on the towel to dry. Once I had done the second rinse, I put them back on the towel and then I pressed out the excess water. I used the towel and I just got any of the extra water out so it could air dry. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching this episode. Until next time, see you later.